Hello, you're with me again, Janine, Change for Success, and welcome to this tapping video. If you do like these videos, as ever, please hit subscribe, pop a new video out weekly so you'll get notified when I record a new one. So today, tapping for pain. A lot of people don't realise or understand, I certainly didn't when I came across tapping, how powerful this technique is for lowering and reducing pain. It really is an amazing tool for doing that. So I really want to show you how you can lower pain with this technique today. So the best way to do this, I really want you to focus on the specifics of the pain, okay? The location of the pain, the type of pain. So is it a headache? Is it a dull ache in the front of your head? Is it a stabbing pain? Really be specific with the location and the type of pain that is. So I want you to get into that at the moment and just notice exactly how it feels. I want you to give that an intensity on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being really strong and 0 being no pain at all. So I really want you to get into those specifics for me. The area of the pain, the type of pain, and what the intensity is, okay? And just really taking care of yourself and your own well-being. I want you to start tapping with me on the side of the hand, okay? So even though I have all this pain, and it might have been around for a long time, I'm going to be open to letting this go today. Even though I'm really struggling with this physical pain, I'm noticing its feeling and its intensity. I want to let some of that go. And I choose to accept me now anyway, and maybe this area where this pain is located. I just want to let go some of this pain. It's causing me so much frustration and agitation. And I choose to love and accept myself anyway, and maybe any associations connected to this pain, wherever this might be on my body. Okay, that's great. So we're just tapping through the points. All this pain. And I can really feel this pain now. This sensation of the pain. Noticing how strong this feels. This specific area in my body. All this pain. And it might have been around for a long time or a short time. I really feel this frustration and agitation because I just don't want to be in this pain anymore. I want to be open to letting it go. Feeling really sore, really irritated. All this pain. I can feel it in this area in my body. Just really being specific about the area of the pain, exactly where that is. The type of pain, noticing these body sensations connected to this pain. I want to be open to letting some of that go today. I want to be open to reducing that pain. I don't want to be in this pain anymore. I want to be open to letting that all go. Because it just causes so much frustration and agitation. Then I end up beating myself up. I want to be open to letting go all this pain. And I can feel this somewhere in my body. I just want to release and let go. Feeling calmer and more relaxed. Being open to releasing this pain. Being really specific about where this pain is. And I want to let it all go. Just do a little bit more to finish off. Letting go of this pain. Release and let go. It's safe to shift some of this pain today. I don't want to hold on to these sensations anymore. I want to let it all go. Release and let go of this tension, all this stress around this pain within every single cell of my body. Okay, take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And what I want you to do is called chase the pain, this technique. I want you to just check in with that exact pain. Hopefully it's gone down and it might have shifted a little bit in terms of exactly where it is. If that's the case, I want you to carry on tapping. I want you to get this right down. This technique is so powerful. I want you to let me know how you do. If you do need any more support, you can book in for some of my one-to-one support, which we can help you completely eliminate pain within direct sessions with me. So that's what we're all about helping you with. Okay, I look forward to hearing from you soon, and just keep rinsing and repeating this so you can really lower that pain. You're in control of this, okay? Well done, see you soon.